guys, we are going to do something a little bit different today. I told you in the living room, dining room tour that I wanted to work on the pictures for this space. So I received the pictures from Etsy, and guys, unfortunately, I did not like them. So I have another way that I usually do my pictures, and guys, that is what you're gonna go with me today to do. This is one of the picture frames, and how I want to do it is one here lower, probably here, and then one higher. And I have picture light, so I'll put a picture light on top of it. So I'm not completely sure the dimension of this. This is a 14 by 18. So we're gonna go, and I wanted a picture that was very different, but with the restoration vibe, because I have my horse up, my bustle, and also the colors. And you know, I absolutely love these colors. So we're gonna go where I love to get a lot of my prints done, and it'll take probably an hour or less. So guys, let's go ahead and I will show you the prints. So let's go. Okay guys, I'm not in my automobile. Mine is back there in the car garage. So I'm in my son's car. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to our location. Good morning. We're gonna go to our location, guys, and then I will show you what I'm gonna do on the computer. I'm gonna try my best to record this because I'm not taking my tripod with me, so I can't do the driving where we're going. So I have to do that once I get there, because like I said, I'm not in my automobile. So guys, no further ado, let's go ahead and get on the road. Guys, we have made it to our location. And where is our location? Can you see it? Oh my gosh, you can't. Let me turn it around.
Walmart.
So guys, a lot of my prints that you see in my home, like in my entryway when you walk in, the prints come from Walmart. They're absolutely inexpensive. And guys, guess what? They are ready in an hour or less. So let's go into Walmart. Let's go ahead and pull these prints up that I have. And I guess then I'll be revealing to you what the prints that I have chosen. I was very iffy on the prints that I pulled because they're like going in between my dining room and my living room. So the choice of the prints had to be really but I did not want a print that I see so many other YouTubers use. So I wanted to be completely different of what I wanted. So guys, no further ado, let's go ahead and get into Walmart. I will show you how I do this on their machine. And no, this is not sponsored by Walmart. So let's go. So evidently there's a lot of people in the store early this morning. Don't know, but let's grab us a burger.
If we gotta hide it, what's the point of trying? I ain't just your friend, no, what's the point of lying? Trying to sell a story, ain't nobody buying. Look me in my eyes, don't laugh in your eyes. Why should it end? Baby, I could've been him or your friend. Just say what and when, where to make a trip, baby, make a wish, be the one I'm with. Should've been a, should've, could've, would have been. Hey.
Send me the location, I'll be right there. When I come checking out of you, so tired.
Guys, it was just that easy. Mine is done. I have my ticket in my hand. It'll be ready at 12:30. So while I am waiting for that, I guess I will do some package shopping. So let's go do some package shopping while I'm waiting for that. So guys, I just picked up these. These are the new Oreos. They're the toffee crunch. So I'm gonna pick up, they're $3.67. I'm gonna pick up 2 packs of these. And you know, I'm such a lemon head, so picking up that one too. And look what I did. I'm not like other people. I put my things back, guys. Yep, never get the front milk. So now they have it again. Don't need it. So guys, you remember I used to buy so many of these. Can you believe my kids told me they no longer want these because they're addicted? So money in mama's pocket. So guys, let's grab it because I am addicted to blue drinks. If I can get it out of there, oh my gosh. I'm addicted to blue drinks, guys. So I'm getting it. This and I think I'm gonna try this. So it's $2.98 and I think I'm gonna try that. I have done my little shopping. So let's go back to the photos and see if my photos are ready. Okay, my pictures are done, guys. I have them. They're so pretty. And I did some grocery shopping. So after this video, guys, I will give y'all like a little grocery haul of what I purchased. So let's go to the register to get this checked out. Okay guys, I had to do a voiceover on this portion because there was so much friction in my background. So what I'm getting ready to do, I got a black poster board because I was not sure when I was in the store if the picture was going to be big enough. So I am now measuring just what I think I need for the insert of the black for the picture frame. So I'm just going to cut this out and I'm going to cut another one out. Then I am going to put the picture on the black part of the poster board and put it all together. And guys, just wait and see what it's going to look like, because really I thought I had to go back to Walmart to get a print much bigger, but I didn't, and they are gorgeous. So keep on watching. Just like this. No, I don't be shy. Baby, all I need. Oh, do it on me. Aim to please. Show me how much you mean it by the way that you please me, baby. Do it on the bed, on the floor, on the couch. On Nikki's lips and make it in my mouth. Just because I can't kiss that doesn't mean you can't kiss that. So guys, I think it came out gorgeous. I am in love. So let's go ahead to the next part and let's get it hung. Well guys, first of all, what I want to do, you saw me just put them all in a frame and I think they came out absolutely so pretty. At first I thought I got the picture too small because it's an 8x10, but actually it came out fantastic. So it is so pretty. They both are so pretty. So I wanted something completely different, and this definitely give me different. So guys, let's go ahead and get these hung. Should have known better, boy. Can't even pretend like I don't want it again. On the brain all the time, thinking all the things. And guys, I have been indecisive of which one I want up top, which one I want on bottom. I don't know. So I'm gonna play around with them. Put it down. I don't want no one else around. So yeah, just say my name, say my name. See, I don't know if I want the hand down below or if I want the body, the hip on the bottom. I don't know, guys. Let's just go ahead and put the other one up.
Tell me again, that you like it. Tell me again, baby, that you like it. Type of love that make you wanna wipe it up. Tell me again, baby, that you like it, like it, like it, like it. Ooh, yeah. Oh, oh, ooh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Ooh, weird body, crib, got it, job on it. Did I ever? Tell me again, that you like it. Tell me again, baby, that you like it. Type of love that make you wanna wipe it up. Tell me again, baby, that you like it, like it, like it, like it.
Yeah, I can't tell if they're straight or not, but I love them. Oh my God, I love it. So guys, this is what they look like. I am so excited. I absolutely love them. But guys, I want to add some more to them. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to end the video right now. And then I'm going to come back to you after I have completely like overhauled and restyled this area. Because I think now that those pictures are up, it needs to be restyled. So let me get busy and kind of like restyle this to fit what this look like now. So guys, this is what I came up with. I need to trim my plant some, but at first I wasn't going to keep this plant here, but right behind is a socket and I have my lamps plugged there and I don't like that look. And on the other side, we have all of the Wi-Fi and all of that stuff, so I couldn't put it over there. So I decided to leave this here. So guys, I love it! Oh my gosh, it's just like, these are the parts of the male figure and the hand, and then when it comes with the bustle right up on the side of it. And I have my remote and I did put my picture light on top so I can turn my picture light on top of there. And yeah. So with the picture light on, I'm gonna cut the lights off so you can see with the picture light. Guys, I love it. Oh my God, I love that so much. I couldn't pick a better set of pictures. I love it. I absolutely love it, guys. I love this. And it's like now to have just like a whole wall of parts of the male anatomy all over a wall with the picture lights on it. So pretty. And I'm gonna bring you closer because inside of the male figure it is lights also. So I'm gonna bring you closer so you can see that. So guys, I am loving this. I'm really loving it. So guys, this is what it looks like now. And I tell you, see inside my male, you see lights inside. So I did put lights in these. I've had them in for ever since I had them. So these are what the pictures look like. And the picture light, guys. And I had this picture light, guys. It was literally outside. It still worked. I changed the batteries and they still work. But look at that. OMG. Oh, I so love it, guys. I love it. So it really completes that space. It really, really completes that space. I love it, guys. Now it make that side, I want to change that side. It is so pretty. So guys, yes, we have finished. So now guys that we have this looking also pretty. Oh my God, it is so pretty. Oh, it's so pretty. So now what I'm going to do, you know, when I was in Walmart waiting for these photos, I decided to go ahead and do a little package shopping. So I'm going to show you what I got in my package shopping. Then I'm going to show you what I cooked for lunch and dinner. And you know, your girl, I wanted some steak, guys. I wanted steak. So I'm going to show you what my steak looked like before and after. So come on, and then we're going to end this video, guys. Okay, let me show you what I picked up. I picked up some grill mates, and this is the Memphis Pit rub. Barbecue rub. I picked up some steaks. They were on sale, guys. So I did pick them up for about 20 bucks. And also I picked up some ground turkey, some King Hawaiian bread, some milk, a sun-kissed berry lemonade, and I love rice cakes, guys. And I also got the chocolate one and some chips also. And these were some new Mountain Dews I picked up also. And also I did show you the V8, the beet, ginger, and lemon. And y'all, these drinks are the bomb. These are some new cookies by Oreo. So you know your girl's a lemon head. I had to pick up some lemon. And the kids love chocolate, so I decided to pick up those also. And I wanted me some steamed broccoli. So this is what I picked up. For lunch, honey, bacon, turkey burgers. And this is my marinara for my steak, guys. And this was before. And guys, this is after. Yummy! It was so good. And this was my plate. Still keto friendly. And it was good. See y'all guys in the next one. Bye, guys.